New delivery from XLMoto. Let's get it opened. ProWorks street bike stand. So winter time is here. You don't want to have to be moving the bike because obviously sitting one side of the tire is not really advisable. We're going to lift the bikes on stands. So yeah, we got a front stand and rear stand for the bike. We'll open this up. So that's it. Nicely wrapped. So let's unwrap this thing. Just put that over there. So ProWorks. Nicely finished. Got it in the black because I like black. So the wheels. So pull this off. This side here. So just like that, and obviously you have your adapter for the back wheel, that's the wide one, and then we have this short adapter for the front wheel. So obviously I'll show you what's in the back to show you the wheel grommets, and then we'll open up this bag here. So two of those guys, those are for the back, and then you have these guys here, which are for the front. What else we got in here? Obviously some little pins, oar clips, thumb screws. These guys here, not 100% sure what those are for, but figure it out anyway. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it together, and obviously I have another one of these, so I'm going to show you one in the back mode and one in the front mode, so at least to give you an idea of what they look like. There you have it. Rear stand here, a bit wider, adjustable. Get an adjust in here, so your wee thumb screw here, and then obviously this guy, you can loosen that off and then obviously slide in and out. Nice wheels, sturdy plastic. These things are not too difficult to put together. You have a little pin that just slips in through when you connect the two pieces together, and then oar clip here, and that just puts them together. And the same process obviously for the smaller stand. Difficulty level putting these things together, I think most people could do it. It's not rocket science. They're fairly straightforward. Okay, so there we are. Stand on the rear, front stand. Yeah. They're well built stand, attachments there for the grommets, handy enough to put together, there's no real difficulty in it. They're light enough to carry around the place. Would I recommend them? Yeah, they're reasonably priced. They're definitely, it's a great price at the minute if you're in the market for a couple of stands. I definitely take a look at XLMoto. I'll leave the link in the description. I'll leave the price as well. I'm happy with them. So as always, thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next video.